Hello, friends. Today, I'm going to take you on an exciting journey through time itself. Have you ever wondered how we figured out what time it is throughout history? Well, buckle up, because we're about to explore the cool tools people have used to measure time from ancient days to today. Let's start with the earliest days, when people used the sun to tell time. Long ago, people noticed that the sun moved across the sky during the day, so they used sundials. A sundial is a tool that casts a shadow as the sun moves. By looking at where the shadow falls, people could tell what time of day it was. Pretty clever, right? But what about nighttime? Or when it was cloudy? That's when people started using water clocks. These were containers that slowly dripped water at a steady pace. When the water ran out, they knew that a certain amount of time had passed. These were especially popular in places like ancient Egypt and Greece. As time went on, people wanted even more accurate ways to measure time. That's when they invented hourglasses. You've probably seen one. It's that glass container filled with sand. The sand falls from the top to the bottom, and when all the sand is in the bottom part, a certain amount of time has passed, like 1 hour. Hourglasses were often used in sailing, cooking, and even in games. In the Middle Ages, things got really exciting with the invention of mechanical clocks. These clocks had gears and weights that helped them keep time. You'd often find these clocks in towers or big churches, and they rang bells to let people know the time. Imagine hearing a loud bell ringing when it's time for lunch or bedtime. As technology advanced, we got even more precise clocks, like pocket watches in the 1600s. These were small enough to carry around, and people could check the time wherever they went. They were like the first portable clocks. Pocket watches were powered by winding them up, and they became a popular way to keep track of time on the go. Then, in the 1800s, we saw the rise of wristwatches. These were even handier, because you could wear them on your wrist, making it super easy to check the time at any moment. Wristwatches became a fashionable and useful accessory for everyone, from explorers to everyday folks. And today, we have digital clocks and smartwatches. Digital clocks use numbers on screens to tell you the exact time, and smartwatches can do even more than just tell time. They can count your steps, check your heart rate, and even connect to your phone. We also have atomic clocks, which are the most accurate clocks ever invented, used to measure time down to the tiniest fraction of a second. Isn't it amazing how we become from using the sun to tell time to wearing high-tech watches on our wrists? Throughout history, humans have always found ways to measure time more accurately and conveniently. From sundials to smartwatches, each tool helped us stay organized, get things done, and understand the passing of time a little better. So, next time you check the time, remember that you're part of a long history of timekeepers. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.